I've seen so many videos where they do that and the stuff just installs itself. I must be doing it wrong. I'll do it the hard way. Alright, well, time for new brakes on the delivery van. I don't know how many miles it's been, but they're starting to make noise. So I'm going to just replace the whole thing, rotors and pads. So remember, this was a little different from regular. This is a 1-ton truck, so a little different than a normal car. Oh, Jax is making an appearance. And so we'll see if I can remember how to do it. Torx number 45. Oh yeah, they were just about done. Ah, I remember. That's a different bolt than that one. That's not original. So, what is this one? $21. Okay, that is 27 millimeter. course, no auto repair would be complete without a trip back to the auto parts store to get the correct parts. I clearly remember bolting a brake rotor to a hub. Must not have been on this truck, but I clearly remember doing that. That's why I thought those others were right until I get this apart and realize that doesn't come apart. So anyways, correct rotors are here. I can put it back together. Well, everything's a little bigger and heavier on these 1-ton axles, but all in all, not a bad job. So, thanks for watching.